Good morning, grade 4s. Today we're going to have a very short task. It is the last day that we work. Good morning, grade 4s. Today is the last day that we work on our website. So our task today will include completing all the tasks that we have not done. We're going to have a very short task, and then Good morning, grade 4s. I hope that you're well. In today's ICT lesson, we will have a very short task because today is the last lesson that we are spending on our class website, and I want everyone to make sure that they have completed all the tasks that they have pending. So we're going to have two short tasks. The first task will include going through your checklist that we created last lesson and pointing out what you have not completed and working at completing it. The second task is going to involve creating a link on a picture. That's a very easy task. We're going to create a link on a picture that links the picture to another page on your site. So let's look at how we're going to do that. So as I said, today we have two short tasks depending on how much work you have done on your website. The first task will involve going through the checklist we created last week. Remember, last week I asked you to complete a checklist that shows what you have already done on your web page. Now, on my screen, I have a checklist that belongs to one of the students. Now, if I go through the checklist, the student has completed most of the tasks. But there's one task here that has not been completed. So all the tasks that have yes have been completed. The task that has no has not been completed. So what the student now has to do is go and check the task that says no. So it says, insert at least 2 pictures of artifacts. So what does the student have to do? The student has to go back to the web page, the class site, and then try and insert the pictures that they have not inserted and do all the work that they have not done. Remember, you have to go to your checklist to see what you have not done, and then you do it. The second task is going to include creating a link. How do we create a link? Now, what is a link? A link is a picture or a word or a phrase that when you click takes you to another web page. When we are doing our searches in Google, when we type our keyword, we first get a link, a long sentence that is blue with a line. When we click that link, it takes it to another website. Our link is going to be a picture, and when we click that picture, it should take us to another page. So how do we make our picture a link? If I want to make my flag a link, so we are all going to go to any of our web pages where we have a picture. We're going to click on the picture. I prefer to use the last web page I prefer to use the last sub page I created. So you click on the picture, and when you click on the picture, remember it has to be the picture. If it is The whole frame it does not give you. So you have to be on the picture. Right now I'm on the whole frame plus where I type. But if I'm on the picture, only the picture, I get other tools here. So we're going to look at how to make this a link. Can you see this tool here? This is a link. So what you do is you click on it, and then it gives you all the websites that you have on your site. Now, if you're using our class site, then we're going to see everyone's web page. Now, please do not link to anyone else's web page. You link to your own web page. So Miss Bor is seeing all these pages here, and it's showing me even plus my sub pages. I may decide I want to link it. So I'm going to link it to Maribor. Make sure you link the picture to your name. So I'm going to link it to Maribor. So I'm going to click Maribor, and then it tells me page, Maribor. Then I go and click apply. Now, when I do that, it brings the name of the page here. So this is a link. Remember I said on the internet, links are blue with a line. Now, the picture is a link, but it has a phrase. It has words that is the link. So if I want to go to Maribor, what do? If I click Maribor, look at what happens. Takes me to my web page. So it takes me to my web page, Maribor, and I can see that. Now, what do we use links for in this website? We can use it to go back to pages easily without going back to the tabs here. So that is how we use a link, and that's how we create a link. So what I want you to do is start with the first task. Go to your checklist and look for what you have not done. And anything that has no means you have not done it, please do it during this lesson. After this lesson, I am locking up all the websites. We are not going to do anything on them because Ms. Bor is going to assess all your work. I'm going to assess and grade all the work that you've been doing on your website. So this is your chance to look at your checklist and see what you have not completed and complete it. Your next task is to go to your page and then create a link. So let's do that, and let's try and complete everything during this lesson because I will lock the whole website tomorrow.